How we are not showing.
Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can make posts on WordPress. Now many bloggers, newbies in the blogging business find it difficult at times to make posts on WordPress. So in this video straight I'll be showing you how you can make posts, create tags and share your posts on WordPress. So without wasting time guys, I'll go straight to the point. So once you're logged into your dashboard, this is my dashboard. You go to your URL/WP admin, then you are logged in, you put your password and that's all, you're fine. So now this is our dashboard here. Normally all WordPress, this is how the dashboard looks like. So first on the left tab here, we'll go to post here, you click on post, you're able to see all your posts. Right now we're making a new post, so we click on this icon, add new post. You can use the tab on the left hand here, you can use this here, this one here. So I'm using this. We'll be adding new post. Okay, now if you have your own post, you're not getting posts from any other source, you have to impute your title here. Okay, for example, now let me go and source for a post. Let's see, let's source for a post. Because of time I would have created my own post from scratch, but I'm just trying to show you how you can make a post. Okay, let's say okay, this is another website, and okay, wow, now this called title on each WordPress dashboard. This is how you must impute your title before making any post, right? So now we'll put our title, but if you are copying, if you're a blogger who does copy and paste, don't just copy and paste like that. It affects your SEO, and sometimes it's not good because it's somebody's content that spent much time to create. So for you copying like that, it's not advisable. So what you do is you come over to the title. All you have to do is just twist it. Here we're having Nigerian arrested in the US. You can add something like breaking news or just breaking, right? Okay, something like breaking, Nigeria arrested in US. Anyway, you can twist it, but because of time I'll just quickly rush it and you can change the headline. So now this box here, you can see this box here, this is where you impute your post, the embodied content. This is where your content goes. So now we'll be getting this content from another source. So copy this first one here. That if you're getting from another source, then you paste just like that. Paste it here. But if you're actually creating from scratch, you just type it, or you have it on your notepad, you just copy it and paste it there. So now we're just taking it from here. So now we have done with the body content, right? So we're moving to the next step here. Very important to add our featured image. This featured image is the image people see when viewing your news on the internet. Maybe you shared your post on social media and like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram. So this featured image will be the one that attracts viewers. Imagine you're talking about Nigerian news, and you're having your logo, your website logo as featured image. You know, people would think it's just all about your website, but once they see, maybe you're talking about bandits and they see an image of somebody holding gun, you know, it will trigger them to read the news, right? Or you're talking about relationship and they see an image of a girl or a girl and a boy being together in the picture, so it triggers them to. So you must set your featured image. So while setting up the featured image, you click on set featured image. If you are using laptop, some bloggers use phone to blog, but if you are using laptop, this is where it will show on the tab here, right hand side of the tab here. So you click on set featured image. Now I don't have this featured image already, so what I will do is I will go to this website I'm taking this news from. But if you are the one creating from scratch, you can know how to source for your image. So now what I will do now is probably save this image on my device. Okay, I will select a folder to save it. Okay, let me just save it on my local disk. Right, so I will go back to my dashboard and upload file. I'll click on upload file, then I will select, I will locate where the featured image I just downloaded. Okay, this is it. Then I upload. Wait for it to load and you're fine. Wow, just loaded up. So we set featured image. We see the featured image here. Wow, we have successfully set our featured image. So the next is tags. These tags more like keywords, just like you have keywords on Google, like type. So these tags on WordPress automatically uses tags in form of your SEO keywords. You get? So it's very important to set tags on each post you're making on WordPress. So so how to choose a tag? Like you choose the most common words inside this post. For example, we are having Nigerian arrested US. So our keyword can be Nigerian. You can add as many keywords as you want. You can get your keywords here, then add it. You can add news. Okay. You can add as much. Just look for keywords that are more common. You can add fraudulent and so on. So after the tags is moved down to our categories. If you're the owner of the site, you should have by now created your categories, or you ask the developer to create categories for you, so you'll be able to choose each of the categories. So if I choose this education, this post will go under education, and it's not nice when somebody is looking for news and went to education section on your website and seeing news. So you make sure you put in on the right category, right? So this post is just about Nigerian news, so we click on news. That's our categories. Remember the steps here. Our first step is setting our featured image. Second step is setting our tags. Just form of tags, just like keywords for search engines, right? So we are done with our categories, which is news. This post is under news. If it's sports, you put it sports. If it's motivation, whatever. But I personally set these categories like this. You can change. You can set yours like that. So after that, I think we are done for now. This is how to successfully make a post on your WordPress account for bloggers. So I think we are done now. Now, if I don't want this post to go live, what I will do now is I will schedule a date for this post. So I will come to this publish immediately. I will click edit, then I'll probably set. You can set a date, and it will publish. Then if you want to save draft, like you don't want to publish it, maybe you want to come and edit some things inside, then you save it as draft. You see it there. Then I want this post to go live, right? So I'll click on publish. Wow, you can see, I don't know if you can see my pop-up screen here, the news we just posted here. So we just make a post successfully right now, right? Wow. So if you want to see this post, maybe you want to make any changes, you just click on all posts here. Wow. So we can see the post we just made. You can see our categories is news. You can see the tags, and it's already published. So let's view our post and see how it looks like. Wow, you can see this is our title of our post. Okay, I think the network is a bit slow here. Okay. Wow, you can see the post we just made now. You can see it. So that's how to make your successful. That's how you can make your first post on WordPress. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to get more updates on WordPress and tech related topics. Thank you guys.